Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable Face ID on Zoom step by step, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your settings are properly configured. Step 1. Open the application or website on your device. Make sure you are logged in with your account credentials to access all settings and features. Step 2. Navigate to the Settings menu by tapping the profile icon or menu button, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Look for the relevant section in your Settings menu. This may be under Privacy, Security, Preferences, or Account Settings depending on the platform. Step 4. Find the specific option you need to modify. Read any available descriptions to understand what each setting controls before making changes. Step 5. Toggle the setting on or off, or select your preferred option from the available choices. Some settings may require additional confirmation. Step 6. Save your changes if prompted. Some platforms save automatically, while others require you to click a Save or Apply button. Step 7. Verify that your changes have taken effect by checking the setting status or testing the functionality you just modified. Step 8. If you encounter any issues, restart the application or check for updates. Contact support if the problem persists. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.